Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Vinayak Education. Today we will see general heat conduction equation in cylindrical coordinates. In previous videos, we have seen the general heat conduction in rectangular coordinates, and some special cases also we have seen. So, in cylindrical coordinates, the equation will be dou square t by dou r square plus 1 by r dou t by dou r plus 1 by r square dou square t by dou phi square plus dou square t by dou z square plus qg by k equal to 1 by alpha dou t by dou tau. So you should remember this equation for competitive exam. For semester exams you can follow the data book. In data book this formula is given directly, so you can use this. Here we can see that temperature is a function of r, that is in radial direction, and phi is some angle, and z is in z direction, and tau is time. So we will see in this some cases. So first case is temperature is a function of r and tau, that is temperature is function only in radial direction, and tau is with respect to time, that is unsteady state. So without heat generation, okay, here no heat generation, so no heat generation means this qg by k, this term will be 0. And temperature is a function of radius only, so this 2 will be there. This is phi and z, so these two terms will be 0. So 1 by r dou t by dou r plus dou square t by dou r square equal to 1 by alpha dou t by dou tau. So this is the case 1. And case t is temperature is a function of only radius. Okay, here temperature was function of tau, that is time. So it was unsteady state. So it is now steady states. So it does not depend on time, and without heat generation same. So here we can write 1 by r dou t by dou r plus dou square t by dou r square equal to 0. Or we can write this in this form also, 1 by r dou by r into r into dou t by dou r equal to 0. And third case is for steady state unidirectional, that is in radial heat flow with internal heat generation. Here we have seen without heat generation, here we will see with heat generation same. So 1 by r dou by dou r into dou t by dou r plus qg by k. So this term has came due to which the internal heat generation is there. So in vector form we can write as del square t plus qg by k equal to 1 by alpha dou t by dou tau. General form is same for all three coordinates, but this del square, that is Laplacian operator, will change for every coordinate system. In rectangular we have seen the other. For this cylindrical, del square is 1 by r dou by dou r into dou by dou r plus 1 by r square dou square by dou phi square plus dou square by dou z square. So this is in vector form. The question may be asked like this also, this vector form is depend on any coordinate system? No, you should say no, because this equation does not tell that this is in cylindrical, spherical, or rectangular. So this is same for all the coordinate system, but this value of del square is only different. So this is in vector form, so this also you can remember. So in this video we have seen the general heat conduction equation in cylindrical coordinate. So in next video we will see general heat conduction in spherical coordinate system. So thanks for watching this video.